Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to place a parlay bet on Hard Rock Bet. It's really easy and simple, guys. So let's jump right in. So first things first, what you're going to be doing is you want to open up the Hard Rock Bet app or visit their website and log into your account, okay? Then next, guys, what you're going to do is you're going to head to the sports betting section and you're going to start browsing for games or events you want to include in your parlay. And a parlay basically combines multiple bets into one for a bigger payout, but all bets must win for you to actually cash out. So to build your parlay, what you want to be doing is you want to select two or more bets, okay? And you want to choose these as your betting options. So as you add them, they'll actually appear in your bet slip. You'll see individual selection and the combined parlay odds automatically calculated for you after you add all the individual selections. And guys, once you're happy with your picks, you want to look for the option to parlay on the bet slip. Okay? Enter the amount that you actually want to wager and just double check your selections and just hit place bet. Okay? Hit place bet to actually confirm. And remember, guys, parlays are high risk, high reward bet, but the more selections you add, the bigger the potential reward will be, but the tougher it becomes to win. Anyways, guys, that is it. And now you have successfully placed a parlay bet on Hard Rock Bet. If this video helps you out, guys, don't forget to like the channel and subscribe to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.